so here is a quick SeaWorld Resort hotel and room tour. So this is SeaWorld's main lobby. Over here we have the reception desk. It's a beautiful big open space. There's a bar and dining area with beautiful high ceilings. The lobby was really clean and tidy. We took the lift to the second floor. We were staying in the garden wing in a deluxe double queen room. Although if you don't like lifts, there are many outdoor staircases to use, and the front desk can organise your bags to be delivered to your room if you wish. So that is also a great key point for this hotel. Outdoor stairways were really helpful. So here we go. This is the deluxe double queen room in the garden wing. It has 2 queen beds, free Wi-Fi. There's a desk in the room as well as a big wardrobe. You'll also find a mini fridge. There's an air conditioning unit for each apartment room or hotel room. There's a hairdryer, tea and coffee making facilities, as well as an iron and ironing board. And there's an in-room safe as well. We had the view overlooking the car park. This wasn't too noisy and it wasn't a disruption at all. There are interconnecting rooms available on request, and our room also came with a 55-inch smart TV and a private balcony. A highlight of this room was the hard flooring. The colours of the room were really nice and bright. It was a bright space to be in. The lighting was very good. There's nothing worse than having a hotel room where you're trying to turn every single light on in the place and it's just not bright enough. Like, this had really good lighting. So this is a recently refurbished room. There's 120 brand new deluxe rooms now completed in either 2 doubles or 2 queens. And the beds have plush Sealy Posturepedic mattresses as well, which was a nice feature. The black tapware was also a nice addition to this space. So overall, the deluxe double queen room in the garden wing is a really nice room, and I would highly recommend it to anyone. Thanks for watching our SeaWorld Resort hotel and room tour. If you enjoyed what you saw, please hit the like button or the subscribe button. Everything helps. We've got some more room tours coming up in Hawaii and LA. So until then, I'll catch you on the roundabout.